Science Chapter 2 Nutrition in Animals Class 7 Exercise Chapter 1 Fill in the blanks. A. The main steps of nutrition in humans are dash 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 and dash. B. The largest gland in the human body is dash. C. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and dash juice which act on food. D. The inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowths called dash. E. Amoeba digests its food in the dash. Answer A. The main steps of nutrition in humans are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. B. The largest gland in the human body is liver. C. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and digestive juice which act on food. D. The inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowths called villi. E. Amoeba digests its food in the food vehicle. Question number 2. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. A. Digestion of start in the stomach. True, false. B. The tongue help is mixing food with saliva. True, false. The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. True, false. D. The ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. Answer A. The digestion of starts in the stomach. False. B. The tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. True. C. The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. True. D. The ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. True. Question number 3. Tick mark the correct answer in each of the following. A. Fat is completely digested in the first stomach. B. Mouth and second mouth, third small intestine, fourth large intestine. B. Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the first stomach, second food pipe, third small intestine, fourth large intestine. Answer A. Fat is completely digested in the third small intestine. B. Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the fourth large intestine. Question number 4. Match the items of column 1 with those given in column 2. Column 1, column 2. Food components, products of digestion, carbohydrates, fat, acid and glycol, proteins, sugar, fats, amino acids. Answer column 1, column 2. Food components, product of digestion, carbohydrates, sugar, proteins, amino acids, fats, fatty acid and glycol. Question number 5. What are villi? What is their location and function? Answer. The inner wall of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowths. These are called villi, singular villus. The villi increase the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Each villus has a network of thin and small blood vessels close to its surface. The surface of the villi absorbs the digested food materials. Question number 6. Where is the bile produced? Which component of the food does it help to digest? Answer. Liver, the largest gland in human body, secretes bile juice that is stored in a sac called the gallbladder. The bile helps in the digestion of fats. Question number 7. Name the types of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Give the reason also. Answer. Cellulose, a type of carbohydrate, can be digested by ruminants but not by humans because ruminants have a large sac-like structure called rumen between the osseous and the small intestine. The cellulose of the food is digested here by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in humans. Question number 8. Why do we get instant energy from glucose? Answer. In the cell, glucose breaks down with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide and water and energy is released. Question number 9. Which part of the digestive canal is involved in? First, absorption of food dash. Second, chewing of food dash. Third, killing of bacteria dash. Fourth, complete digestion of food dash. Fifth, formation of ashes dash. Answer. First, absorption of food small intestine. Second, chewing of food buccal cavity mouth. Third, killing of bacteria stomach. Fourth, complete digestion of food small intestine. Fifth, formation of feces large intestine. Question number 10. Write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and human beings. Answer. Similarity. The basic process of digestion of food and release of energy is the same in amoeba as well as in human beings. In amoeba, digestive juices are secreted into the food buccal. They act on the food and break it down into simpler substances. Gradually, the digested food is absorbed. Similarly, in human beings, various digestive juices, mouth, stomach, intestine, etc., act on food and break it down to simpler substances. Differences. The digestion process in amoeba is simple, while in human beings it is a complex process. The process of ingestion and egestion are also quite different. Amoeba engulf its food by surrounding the food particle with its pseudopodia. And the undigested food, which is largely carbon dioxide gas, is expelled outside by the bowel. While in human beings, the food, which is complex substance, is taken inside the mouth and undergoes a complex process of digestion and absorption. Finally, the undigested food is expelled in the form of feces. Question number 11. Match the items of column 1 with suitable items in column 2. Column 1, column 2. A. Salivary gland. First, bile juice secretion. B. Stomach. Second, storage of undigested food. C. Liver. Third, saliva secretion. D. Rectum. Fourth, acid release. E. Small intestine. Fifth, digestion is completed. F. Large intestine. 6. Absorption of water. 7. Release of feces. Answer. Column 1, column 2. A. Salivary gland. Third, saliva secretion. B. Stomach. Fourth, acid release. C. Liver. First, bile juice secretion. D. Rectum. 7. Release of feces. E. Small intestine. Fifth, digestion is completed. F. Large intestine. 6. Absorption of water. Second, storage of undigested food. Question number 12. Level diagram 2.11 of the digestive system. Show the picture. A part of human digestive system. Answer. Show the picture. Liver, gallbladder, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. Human digestive system. Question number 13. Can we survive only on raw leaf vegetables? Grass. Discuss. Answer. Raw leafy vegetable and grass are rich in cellulose, a type of carbohydrate. Many animals, including humans, cannot digest cellulose because they do not have enzyme and certain type of bacteria which can digest cellulose. We cannot survive by the taking vegetable in raw form. That's why we boil or cook vegetables, which breaks down cellulose into simple carbohydrates. We can only survive by taking in vegetables in boiled, cooked form.